everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Spoiled Unicorn Story by Callie K. Adams. Pictures by Eva Lake. Spoiled Unicorn was the only son of the very wealthy industrial. Spoiled Unicorn lived in a huge villa with 3 bathrooms, a swimming pool, and a huge guest room where Spoiled Unicorn could invite his friends. But the most beautiful part of the house was Spoiled Unicorn's playroom, a room full of toys and all kinds. Spoiled Unicorn could have anything he wanted. One day the boy said he wanted a fox. The next day his father brought him a fox. All young unicorns envied Spoiled Unicorn because he could have anything he wanted, but not everything. Everyone knew that he would play only once with all the games and then pile them up in a big game room. Spoiled Unicorn was really spoiled, and he was starting to no longer have fun with things. He got bored and asked for a new fox cub also. He was planning to ask for a baby griffin, but before that can happen, a major virus pandemic hit his father's company. His father had to close his business to protect everyone, even if there were to lose a lot of money. He sold his expensive cars, helicopter, and art collections so he can support his team and pay off the company's debt. Spoiled Unicorn was affected directly by his father's decision. His father told him he couldn't buy new things, and Spoiled Unicorn had to play with all his toys he already owned. Spoiled Unicorn cried a lot, but his dad was adamant. Everyone has to make sacrifices, even Spoiled Unicorn. In the following days, the situation did not improve. Daddy had more important things to think about than Spoiled Unicorn's toys. The fox cub was always close to Spoiled Unicorn, purring and acting cute, but the boy was too angry to play with the fox. Until one day, Spoiled Unicorn was bored to the extreme. He finally started playing with the fox cub. Spoiled Unicorn played with the fox cub all day long into the night. They were both were hungry, so they went to the kitchen to get something to eat. On his way to the kitchen, Spoiled Unicorn saw his dad trying to figure out how to solve the financial crisis. "My father had to work very hard so I can have my new toys," thought Spoiled Unicorn. Spoiled Unicorn started playing with his old toys again with the fox cub and had a lot of fun. Spoiled Unicorn understood that he had been too spoiled, and that happiness was not in owning too many things, but in knowing how to use well what you have and being happy with them. Spoiled Unicorn went to his father and told him that he didn't want those new toys anymore because he already had enough. His father was very happy to hear it. After that, his father managed to solve the financial crisis. Spoiled Unicorn understood that being spoiled is negative. Everything returned to the normal again, and Spoiled Unicorn is no longer spoiled. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!